Online class children. Now today we will start our annual portion for SST subject, okay, for class 3rd, okay. So up to 12th chapter it was there in quarterly, isn't it? No, half yearly. It was there in the half yearly portion. Now we will start our annual portion, isn't it? So from 13th chapter we will start, okay. So the name of the chapter is Means of Communication. Here, first of all, what do you mean by communication? Communication means sending and or receiving messages is called communication. When you are sending the message or receiving the message, okay, are known as what? Communication. Communication also means exchanging thoughts. Exchanging thoughts, okay, and feelings, ideas, informations, or provide entertainment by speaking or by other methods. We exchange our thoughts, our feelings, our ideas, okay. Information when we are providing or we are getting any information, okay. So these all comes under what? Under communication. It is all communication when we are exchanging our thoughts, exchanging our ideas. Okay. So this is known as what? Communication. So in olden times, what happened? It was very difficult, to send the messages. But at that time, how they are sending the messages? They were sending the messages to far of the places through pigeons, isn't it? No. Here, these birds are called carriers or courier pigeons. But all these means were slow and unreliable. These means of the communication which was there in the olden time. It was unreliable. It was slow. Okay. Now we have different methods of sending the messages or communicating to each other. Isn't it? No. Now here, communication without speaking. We communicate either by speaking, by writing, but there are some people who can neither hear or nor speak. So for them, how they will communicate? By their actions, by their body language, by their hands. Okay. So they have a proper sign, particular sign language. We can say that is the sign language. So the communication through action, they understand what the other people is saying by studying their hand symbols and lips movement. By hand symbols, by lips movement, we come to know that what other person is telling. Okay, so this is also the means of the communication. In this way also we are communicating. By writing, okay, by speaking. But if those who are not able to do all these things, they can communicate by the sign, by their body language, by their lips movement. Understand that? So like this. Your eyes also can tell a lot of things. When we see anybody's eyes, we come to know that about a particular person, by the face, when we see the face. Okay, and the hands, even before they learn to speak, by looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is sad, happy, surprised or angry. By looking the face. Isn't it? No? So this is also the communication. The classical dancer also use sign symbols. Sign language they use. Isn't it? No? They use specific hand gesture, their body gesture, body movement, posture, to express particular ideas. They also called mudras or bhavs. What we call that? Mudra or bhav. Their body language, their expression, facial expression, their posture, body posture, their movement, all these things. Okay. Now communication, people communicate by different means, including talking, writing, letter sending, a telegram, using telephone, sending fax, sending an email Now different ways are there to communicate now. All these means of the communication mentioned above here by the personal use. Whatever we have discussed now, it was for the personal use. They connect only few people. If we need to communicate with a large number of people at the same time, we have to use mass media. This include newspaper. What mass media include? What is mass media? What it includes? Means a large number of the people when communicate. When a large number of the people, if we need to communicate with large number of people, what we need? We have to use what? Mass media. Okay. And what is mass media? Mass media means newspaper, magazines, radio, isn't it? No. And television. All comes under what? Mass media. Now letters. Postal system. This is also the way of communication. Isn't it? No. Letter. By writing a letter. We write letter to our relatives, friends to share news. Before the invention of telegraph and telephone, the postal system was only the means of long distance communication. Letter can be sent through postcards, inland letters or stamp envelopes. Okay. Now letters are dropped into the letter box. Letter box is there. Letters are dropped into that letter box. The postman collect that letters, okay, from the box, or means take them to the post office. After sorting, the letters are sent to different places through buses, trains, or aeroplanes. After that, they sort the letter of a particular place, area, and then they use different ways to send that. Letters are again sorted out area-wise and delivered to the addresses according to the address, according to the pin code when mentioned on the letter. It was sent by the postman. No. Post office also offered a speed post service to send urgent and important letters and parcels. Urgent letters, important letters are sent by the speed post service. Okay, and by parcel also we send. However, it is expensive. It costs a little bit more as compared to the normal letters. Okay, the name and the address must be written very clearly with the pin code. Address, name with pin code is written on the letter. It ensures speedy and efficient delivery of letter. People also send telegram in emergency. During the emergency time, people send telegram. Now telephone. This is also the means of the communication. Telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of communication. Telephone helps us to talk to the people directly. Today, mobile phones have become the fast and easy means of the communication. If you have mobile phones, you can easily contact. Anytime you can contact, no? Wherever you are. So, the SMS means what? Short message service. This is the full form of SMS. We always used to say, no, send a SMS. What do you mean by that SMS? SMS means short message service. It's extremely useful now. A fax machine can be used to send a written message and pictures via telephone lines. Okay. Now the next is what? Computer. Computer have made communication very easy with the people. Okay. We can send email to anyone living anywhere in the world by sending. This is also a message means by the computer, sent by the computer. Okay. So email, what we call that? Email. And we can also send photographs through our email. We send email through the internet. Through the internet we send email. The internet is a vast computer network linking together millions of the computers all over the world. So it is a vast network. Okay, millions of people were connected with it. Internet connections are made along telephone lines and via satellites. People can also surf the net and find the latest news on the numbers of the website. Now it is the most easy way to get the news, to get the information about the world, isn't it? No. These websites are part of the World Wide Web, WWW. What it means? World Wide Web. Isn't it now? Now we get in the second we get information of the world. Isn't it now? Now, newspaper. This is also the means of communication. Newspaper and magazines are excellent means of the providing information about happenings and events, happenings even in the world. Okay. Newspaper cover more news and much greater details. More news are there in the newspaper. Everything, each and every place, okay, of the news are given. And vast also it is big. But since they have to be printed, the news reach the people at least a day later. Because we have to print the news, in the paper. So that's why the news reached to the people later. Later means next day it reach. Okay. Means least at least day later. So, okay. Now here radio. This is also the means of communication. This is helpful for the uneducated person. Radio is helpful for the uneducated person. Easily we get the information, isn't it? No. But just switching on the radio, we can listen to the news, discussions, interviews, commentaries of the sports, music, plays and advertisement. We can also know about the daily weather. Radio is useful for the uneducated people also. Before the television was invented, radio was the most popular means of the getting information. Before the television was invented, radio was a means of communication. It was a very fastest and the easy way of getting the information. Most important means of information, radio. Okay, then television comes. Television is one of the most important means of mass communication. Okay, now here TV brings pictures and sound from around the world into millions of the home. Through television, we can watch news, sports, events and other happenings in the world. TV provides many more entertainment programs, okay, such as fiction, serials, comedies, cartoons, okay, and varieties of shows and features film. Many things we used to see from the televisions. It is a very good way of recreation. Okay, to enjoy. Now comes what? Satellite. Satellite placed high above the earth are now essential part of worldwide communication. It placed high above the earth and is an essential part of the worldwide communication. Okay. Now communication satellite in space rely TV picture across oceans and continents. A communication satellite can relay several television programs or thousands of the telephone calls at once. So the satellite is very easy, means essential for the telephone calls also, for to rely on TV programs, also to telecast to TV programs. Okay. So it also enables us to watch sport and other events live on the television. It helps us. It enables us to see live program on the televisions. Okay, so these are the means of the communication. These are the means of the communication. Okay, which is essential for us to communicate easily. It is very, nowadays we are having a lot of means of the communication, and it is very fastest means of the communication. Telephone is also good, mobiles are also available. So now it is very easy for us to communicate to each other. Okay, and we get information in the seconds of the world. So this means, because of the advancement of the science and technologies. Okay. Hope you have understood this chapter, lesson 13, means of the communication. You have understood very well. And after that, first you read also, try to understand by your own, okay? And I will give you the PDF so that you can complete your exercise part. Thank you.